Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zoho CRM and automate follow-ups with AI, full guide step by step clearly. To download Zoho CRM, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Zoho CRM website. On the homepage, look for the free trial or sign up button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your information, including your name, email, and phone number. Create a secure password and confirm your account. After filling in the details, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click the verification link. Once your account is verified, log in to Zoho CRM using your credentials. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To download the Zoho CRM mobile app, go to the App Store on your device, either Google Play or the Apple App Store. Search for Zoho CRM in the App Store. Download and install the application onto your device. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Zoho CRM credentials. Now that you have Zoho CRM set up, let's automate follow-ups using AI. Navigate to the Automation tab in the main menu of the CRM dashboard. Look for the Workflows option under the Automation section. Click on Create Workflow to start setting up your automation. Choose a trigger for your workflow, such as a new lead or a scheduled time. Define the actions you want the CRM to take, such as sending an email follow-up. To incorporate AI, select the option for AI-powered follow-ups in the Actions menu. Customize the follow-up messages, ensuring they are relevant and engaging. Set conditions for the workflow, such as time delays between follow-ups. Review all settings and ensure that everything is configured correctly. Click on Save or Activate to enable your automated follow-up workflow. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded Zoho CRM and set up AI-powered follow-ups. Regularly monitor and adjust your automation settings as needed for optimal performance. Explore additional features of Zoho CRM to maximize your sales efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.